I'm in a slump.
A brand that I'm working with.
I have been tracking my screen time. I am embarrassed already.
Hi, let's start this vlog off by doing something interesting. I got a package. I think this is from a brand that I'm working with over on Shorts. I haven't actually done a Shorts collaboration before. Cute. They're like little blue light glasses. Oh my goodness, this is packaged so nicely. It's like a little birthday cake. So cute. Go check out my short if this isn't already live by the time this goes live. Thermo glasses. So cute. Okay, I need to go get some stuff for dinner because I didn't have anything in the freezer. Boring. I'll see you tomorrow. Today's been a day.
Today I decided to start on a new color and I'm just going to do a granny square and hopefully just bring it all the way out until it becomes a really big blanket. Not sure how it's going to work, but it's looking pretty good so far. Hey, if I am being completely honest, I've been slacking. I have been slacking so much. There is just a few things going on in the background that I'm not going to share online. I've just been slacking on the vlog. It's Thursday and I haven't filmed anything. So today I'm just going to bring you along with me. Whatever we get up to, I'm not really sure. This is my day off, so it's a pretty gloomy day. I have just dropped Rowan off to work because riding his bike in these conditions not ideal. It's like gloomy, wet, rainy. So yeah, I've just pulled up at the beach. Don't know what I'm going to do. Don't know what I'm going to do today, but you can come along with me. I still have my books in my car from when I was going to read maybe like a week ago in my car. I'm still yet to finish The 5 People We Meet in Heaven, and I've just started A Good Girl's Guide to Murder because I saw it was... What is going on with my hair right here? I don't know what I've done with it today. Yeah, I saw it was a series on Netflix and I had bought all 3 books but just hadn't read them yet, so I want to read the books before I watch the series. I mean, it'd be so satisfying to finish this one today, but I also really do want to start this. But this is my view at the moment and I love it. Honestly, just stare at the ocean all day. Even on a gloomy, rough day like this, I just love it. I love the way that the ocean makes me feel. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if it comes across in the videos, but I just love living by the beach so much. Like, to just be able to drive to the ocean, like not even be in the water or on the sand, just to drive to the ocean and just be able to watch it whenever I want to. I don't know what it is, but there's just something about it that I love, like just watching the waves and watching the birds fly around, and I don't know, I just love it here so much. I really love it here. I put you right at the other end of my car and I'm so comfy here and I'm literally gonna have to now be able to reach you. I am currently doing my makeup because I'm about to film a little brand thing for YouTube Shorts, which I've never done before. I don't normally post on Shorts, but maybe this is the start of that. So I'm just making myself look a little bit more presentable because I feel like I've been hit by a bus. I feel so tired. So hopefully putting a little bit of makeup on, actually doing something productive like filming, is going to put a burst of energy into me today or something. I don't really know. I'm just hoping for the best, really. I feel like I'm just in a bit of a slump with everything. Like, I don't have any good books at the moment. My song rotation is getting a bit stale. I'm in a slump. All of that at the back, and then So it's seconds after. I've just filmed a little thing for these glasses and I'm in one of the back rooms that faces my neighbours and they're at the back and I'm not sure if they've seen me just filming this, but I'm very embarrassed. They probably didn't see me, but it's always a bit, I don't know, I love filming when I'm by myself. I feel a little bit icky when people are watching me film or like see me filming. Anyway, it's not part of this video, but if you do want to go get yourself a pair of thermal glasses, feel free because look how cute. Okay, so I've just filmed that. You can still see the tripod in the background. I'm just editing that here and I'm pretty sure I hit all of the points. I'm just going to go back and check their content requirements. Between 15 and 60 seconds, I'm at 24 seconds, which is good. Highlight the product, mention the style number. Okay, I need to get that. About section, description. That is everything done for this one. I just need to, I think I'm gonna add text, like so you can read it on the screen, because I actually heard that I think like 80% of people watch shorts or videos with no sound. And so if you're just talking to the screen and there's no words, like they're just gonna scroll straight past. So I think a lot of the time people are in bed like next to their partners with no sound, and or just like on public transport or whatever, forgot their headphones. They're just like mindlessly scrolling and they don't have sound. And so words on the screen keep people on your video for longer, if that makes sense. So I only just learnt that. So I think I'm gonna put words on here. Surely YouTube Shorts has an automatic thing. I actually rarely ever post on shorts. Lighting, retouch, filters, green screen, effects, speed, timer, flip. Anyway, that's just another little thing that I need to figure out, but that is today. But it is currently 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna go get maybe some lunch ready. I think I might have wraps after I'm finished doing this. This is my life right now. Not too bad. A new way, if you're having like wraps or tacos or something, to do them in a bowl, so you can put all of this stuff in the like bowl bit and then just fold it up, and it's so much easier. Like in a bowl, you just put all the stuff in the middle bit and then these bits are like already folded for you. I don't think I've mentioned this at all this year, but I have been tracking my screen time since the 11th of December last year. To say the results so far are quite alarming. In the screen time app, it only lets you go back 3 or 4 weeks, which wasn't really great for my tracking. So every single time I get a screen time update, I just quickly note it in my Notion. You know, we're more than halfway through the year now, and every now and then I just add up all of my hours and my mind is blown. Like, I'm gonna do a whole video on it at the end of the year, hopefully, if I get around to it. Oh, it's making me sick. It's making me feel sick that I've spent this much time on my phone. Like, some of the hours are in the 40s for 1 week. Like 40 out, like, I'm just putting in the last couple of weeks. I'm obviously addicted. It's not a good thing, but oh, just to see it all compiled together is crazy. If you're not tracking your screen time, I highly recommend. I don't think there's a single week where I've done under 20 hours of screen time. That's crazy. Like, I take my phone from room to room with me just in case I get a message, an email, in case I don't know, need to check something or need to Google something. I'm really glad that I'm tracking this screen time because I think next year I'm gonna make a huge change. I mean, I don't even have to wait till next year, but I think it'd be really cool to see how much time I spend on my screen without thinking about it. And then I'll do like another year thinking about it and consciously deciding, do I really need to pick up my phone right now? Wow. Definitely check your screen time if you haven't already, because it will humble you. I cannot believe I've spent this much time on my phone. This video at the end of the year is gonna be crazy. Definitely keep an eye out. I am embarrassed already and it's not even the end of the year.